We are at 8,000 subscribers finally, the only thing I can say is thanks. Seriously, guys. I know there's a lot of new people here. Definitely check the description box, check the comment section to some highlights of my channel, for me personally anyway. Yeah. And yeah, welcome to the channel for all you new people. I have a goal of trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before the year's out. I'm not sure if I'll be able to just make it. Maybe we'll see what happens. I mean, I'll be hitting it soon. That was been kind of my goal, but we'll see what happens. But either way, 8,000 subscribers. Holy shit! Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. It is very appreciated. You know, I love you guys. I've been with the family past few days. I drank way too much beer, and I'm so fucking ready for that Walking Dead finale. It had better be good. But anyways, thank you guys. Peace.